Hey, what's going on, guys? Toto Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build partless review video. So our budget for this video is $1,700, but I did go 64 cents over, so I hope you guys do forgive me for that. Also, guys, please sure to remember to leave a like if you do enjoy the video and subscribe. Also, link to the parts are in the description below. But anyways, guys, let's get right into the video. So starting right off with it, for the motherboard, I chose the ASRock B450 Steel Legend socket. So this is an ATX motherboard that has RGB on it. Then for the graphics card, I chose the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 2070 Super. So this has fan tuning architecture and it's overclocked. And for the cooling, I chose the ID Cooling Aurora Flow X. It has two 120mm fans and it supports both Intel and AMD. And for the case fans, I chose the iGo Ring LED case fans. They are 140mm. And so guys, the reason why I chose this is because it does match our Ice theme build. And plus it comes with a pack of 5. And for the processor, I chose the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. It comes with 12 cores and 24 threads. And for the case, I chose the Lian Li LanCool 2. The color is white and it comes with a tempered glass side panel, plus it's an ATX case. And for the RAM, I chose the G.Skill 16GB DDR4 Trident Z RAM. It comes with RGB and it's rated at 3600 MHz. And for the power supply, I chose the Silverstone Technology ET700MG 700 watt fully modular 80 plus gold ATX power supply. And for the SSD, I chose the Western Digital Blue SN550 1TB NVMe. And for the hard drive, I chose the Seagate Barracuda 3TB internal hard drive. This is for all the games to go on and etc. Ending off with that, our price point was $1,700, but I did go 64 cents over, so I hope you guys do forgive me for that. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up for this video. If you guys did enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, guys, the links to the parts are in the description below. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day. Goodbye.